Our team, they are working. You can see. Yeah, well done, guys. Well done. Yeah, so it's doing a very good job here. So you look, see, it's trying to pipe the water heater. I mean the wash hand. So the wash hand is supposed to be here. This is the point for the shower. Okay, so you send it down there, connect it with the floor drain, and there it goes. That's the water waste. That's for the water waste. So as you can see, work is ongoing on this side.